Welcome, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to the ASUS Vivobook 15 Laptop 2024 edition, a powerhouse designed to elevate your computing experience to new heights. Stay tuned as we uncover the remarkable features of this innovative device that's set to revolutionize the way you work and play. Are you ready to embark on a journey into the future of computing? Let's dive in. Greetings, everyone! Today, we have the privilege of introducing you to the ASUS Vivobook 15 Laptop 2024 edition, the epitome of style, performance, and versatility. Say goodbye to compromise and hello to unparalleled productivity. Feast your eyes on the stunning 15.6-inch Full HD display that brings your content to life with vivid colors and sharp details. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or immersing yourself in a work project, the ASUS Vivobook 15 delivers an unparalleled visual experience. Underneath the hood, this beauty is powered by the Intel Core i3-1215U processor, coupled with a whopping 40 GB of RAM. Yes! You heard that right, 40 GB of RAM. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless multitasking, whether you're editing videos, running demanding applications, or juggling multiple tabs. But wait, there's more! With a massive 2 TB SSD storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space for your files, photos, and videos. Say goodbye to slow load times and hello to lightning-fast performance, thanks to the SSD technology. And let's not forget about the thin and light design that makes portability a breeze. Whether you're on the go or working from the comfort of your home, the ASUS Vivobook 15 is your perfect companion. I've been using the ASUS Vivobook 15 for a few weeks now, and I'm blown away by its performance and sleek design. It's truly a game-changer for both work and entertainment. As a student, having a reliable laptop is crucial for my studies. The ASUS Vivobook 15 ticks all the boxes for me. Powerful performance, ample storage, and a stunning display. And there you have it, folks! The ASUS Vivobook 15 Laptop 2024 edition, your ultimate companion for productivity and entertainment. Upgrade to the future of computing today and experience the difference for yourself. Don't wait, unleash your potential with the ASUS Vivobook 15. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, stay tech savvy.